FormaV is an amazing procedure. It lasts about 12 to 15 minutes. It's an internal, very small wand that emits radio frequency energy at set temperatures to stimulate collagen production within the vaginal walls and the pelvic floor to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. Patients typically feel absolutely nothing during the procedure and walk away with amazing, life-changing results, even sometimes after the first or the second treatment. Results are almost immediate. No pain, no anesthesia required, no sedation, nothing at all. The right candidate can be anyone from a postpartum mom who's having a little bit of bladder leakage, people who are kind of sick and tired of getting up 3 or 4 times at night to use the restroom, gymnasts or cross-country runners. So if you think about kind of that impact that occurs with the pelvic floor over time, even very young patients who are 12, 14, 16 years old will actually start to develop bladder leakage. So this procedure can be used in a wide variety of patients. Even as a provider who didn't necessarily struggle with a lot of pelvic floor dysfunction, I have had the procedure done just so I had the ability to educate and teach my patients on really what it feels like, the downtime to be able to justify hey, when you walk out of this office, there will be no pain. You will go back to regular life. 12-minute procedure, it can be totally life-changing for women, especially if people are really struggling with that, like urinary stress incontinence, constantly leaking themselves all the time.